This video will show you how to use Storyblocks for your YouTube channel or just any online video content in general. I'll also give you at the end of the video my opinion on whether Storyblocks is worth it. So let's jump into it. So here I am on the Storyblocks website. You can get here by going to storyblocks.com or just go to the link in the description below and it will take you straight here. Now once you're here, you can see you can get unlimited all access to over 1 million royalty-free footage, templates, music, and photo assets, and they're all easy to download. Now I'm going to log in to my account in a second, but first we'll just go to the pricing section and I'll cover the price of Storyblocks and what plan you should get. So they've got two pricing structures. They've got one for individuals and one for businesses. If you're a business, you will have to send them a message to get a quote. But most of you are going to be individuals. Now you can get the starter plan on Storyblocks. I wouldn't recommend it because you can only download 5 things per month, which is very limited, especially if you're making YouTube videos and you're using this for stock footage. I've got the unlimited all access plan, which is 30 USD per month if you get it billed annually. If you want to just get it billed monthly, it does work out a little bit more expensive than that. You can see you get unlimited downloads, HD footage, 4K, After Effects, templates, music, sound effects, and so on. Now, I only really use this for the HD and 4K footage. Don't really use it for music and sound effects, but I will show you around that in a second as well. So here I am on Storyblocks. I've logged into my account. You can see we've got stock media, video, footage, backgrounds, templates, collections. We've got audio and we've got images. Now, we can go ahead and just make a search here, and you can filter through all of these. So let's say I want to make a video search for counting money. So if I search for this, it's going to come up with probably thousands of videos of people counting money. So we've now got 1,395 videos of people counting money. So we're scrolling down here, you've got close-up male African counting money, human hands counting money. You've got all these different kind of like people counting money in different ways and at different angles. And if you scroll down, you've got up to 30 pages, and we'll just go to the 6th page. And I'm sure the results are just going to be as good. So you've got here hands of man counting money, teenager counting money, a guy counting money with weapons, and so on. There's so many videos of people counting money. So let's say we want this close-up here of a male counting money. If we click on the clip, we can then obviously preview it once it loads. I found that Storyblocks does load a bit slowly on my laptop. It is an older laptop, and because it's got all of these videos on in 4K. But once you've clicked on the clip, you can then choose the quality you want to download it at and the format. And you can see here it's also got the file size next to it as well. I'm going to choose this one, which is 3.3 megabytes. We'll click download. Not sure what this stock footage is, by the way. But then it will just download it to your computer. So that's the video section. You can also search for audio. So if I go to all audio, you can see you've now got 5,000 results of songs which are in the happy category. You've got Lucky Day, Resolution. You can go through all of these and download them if you want by clicking on this download button. So in my opinion, Storyblocks is 100% worth it if you're trying to improve the quality of your YouTube videos. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go ahead and use it. I'm using it. I'm going to keep using it, because it helps me just find stock footage very quickly that other YouTube channels haven't used.